In the previous videos, we practiced some basics using interactive mode. Now, going forward, we will be using script mode. What is script mode? Script mode is utilized to execute Python code stored in a file, where the script is executed line by line, or from top to bottom. The output is displayed after the execution is completed. To execute Python files easily, we require a code editor. Open your browser and search vscode. Click on the download link. Select your operating system and click on it. Open your code and double-click on the downloaded file to install. Follow the instructions. Then install two extensions. First, click on Extensions tab. Search Python. Install these extensions. To begin my Python practice, I have already created a folder named Python Practice, and I am currently opening it with vscode. Follow the instructions to create a Python file. Follow the instructions. Click on Add New File icon. First write file name, then .py is the Python extension. I am writing a Hello World program. In script mode, we can execute the total code at once. Click on the play button to execute your code. Open your course and complete lesson 7. Comments. Comments in the code are explanations for humans. Comments are not instructions, they are ignored by computers. You can add comments to your Python code with the hash symbol. Let's try comments in VS Code. Comments make code easier to read for humans. Professional developers use comments to add descriptions and explanations to their programs. Professional developers use comments to add descriptions and explanations to their programs. You can use comments to temporarily disable a statement. This way the computer will skip the instruction. It's a good practice to use comments in your code. Python is a case-sensitive language, example capital A and small a, treated as different variables. We can get errors if you don't pay attention to the use of uppercase and lowercase. You can get a name error like this. Snake case uses underscore to separate words in a variable name. Always use snake case to create variables. Example, user underscore ID, person underscore name. Using snake case I am declaring two variables. Person underscore name. Person underscore age. Displaying the variable values using print instruction. Please like and subscribe to join our learning community. Let's grow and explore together. Thanks for watching.